There are numerous legal services available on websites like LegalZoom and LegalShield that offer a hands-off approach to your legal needs at a severely discounted price. At first glance, it may seem like you're saving money to go with an automated system over an experienced law firm, but it might surprise you to hear that the low-cost services are often far more expensive than you think. To shed some light on how cost prohibitive these can be, let me share a personal example. When I was fresh out of law school and on a tight budget, I switched my diet and started eating mostly low-cost fast food. Unsurprisingly, I became sluggish and out of shape. Along with the poor physical health came self-confidence issues. I just wasn't looking or feeling well. To reverse it, I had to completely change my diet and work out nearly every day. It took so much time and energy that I was kicking myself for having strayed from my healthy eating habits in the first place. I thought I was saving money by eating fast food, but in reality, I had to pay much more in the long run to get back into shape. For example, I ended up hiring a personal trainer who I guarantee cost much more than the money I saved from eating low-quality food. The initial low cost of the fast food came back to bite me tenfold. Getting back to the legal field, low-cost online legal services are the fast food of the legal industry. Maybe you'll get a template document at a discount, or maybe you'll personally complete the forms for a will, a lease, or a basic contract. But you're not an attorney, and mistakes are incredibly easy to make. Not to mention, laws frequently change, and an automated form completely misses the personalization and customization that your specific family or situation needs. Nobody wants a legal dispute, but when you find yourself in one, well-drafted legal work is worth its weight in gold. It can save you thousands of dollars, months of sleepless nights, and your entire peace of mind. In fact, the cost to repair errors in a cheap, poorly drafted legal document is generally far more expensive than if you had just done it correctly from the start. Look, your future, your family, and your peace of mind are important to you. If you needed to protect them, would you trust them to a local drive-thru window? Or is a sit-down meal at a high-end establishment more fitting? My law firm, atCause Law Office, offers a fine dining experience in the legal field. Call us today and let's protect what matters.